Hey guys, one of my coworkers found these downtown today. They're two identical locks. One's just slightly larger than the other one. They are Chinese, obviously, and if you can't read Chinese, I'll read it for you. It says globe. So they're globe locks. They both come with 3 keys. They're both keyed pretty much the same. I'll use this one because it fits in my hand a little better. And by the way, if you can't read Chinese, if you can't read that as globe, then you just simply turn it over. It says in English right there. But anyway, there's what the bitting looks like. So it's pretty challenging bitting, you would think. You would think. And the key is a little bit picky sometimes. Let me move him out of the way so we move it back a little bit. Sometimes it turns like that. It turned very easily. Other times it gets jammed up. Of course, now that the camera's going, it won't jam up for me. But every once in a while it just won't open it. You got to kind of jiggle it a lot to get it to function. So the precision is not quite there. Something not quite right about these keys, I think. But anyway, let's see if we can't exploit these globe locks just a little bit. Let's see, we have use the bottom of the keyway. And let's first try to SPP this thing. I'm going to put moderate tension because I think we can pretty much force these pins into place. He says. Only 5 pins. And it's a little bit gritty, as you can imagine. Not a whole lot of quality control going into these things. And it looks like I might have overset something there. So let's just give it one more shot. This, believe me, SPPing these gritty, low precision locks is probably one of the hardest picks you're going to get. But there are other ways which we'll exploit in just a minute. Let's just prove we can get into this thing without the key. And there we go. Okay, SPP. That's believe me, is the slow way. Let's see if we can get it to cooperate and lock back up. There we go. Alright, now let's go the fast way. Because we know these aren't security pins, no precision whatsoever, I'm going to put the pick in backwards and we're just going to rock it in place. So all the way in, a little bit of tension, and there we go. That's how quick it is. Try it one more time. It is locked. Slide in there and just rock them in place. And that's how quick that is. We can zip this open as well. Put it in the correct way, all the way to the bottom. A little bit of tension, and we can zip her in there. Get down in there, you devil. If I can hit the hole, we can zip it. He says. Of course, camera's going, no telling what's going to happen here. And there we go, we got a zip open. So, globe locks, probably not the best choice, but seeing as how this one cost $1 and this one cost $1.25, I didn't really expect a whole lot. But there you go, from Brazzaville, Congo. Thanks for your time. Everybody stay safe, stay legal, fellas.